मैं चाहूंगा you are from T series, you are like one of the most important people over there. ये जो integration है sir, Amazon Echo के साथ, how did this happen? Please tell me.
I think it was a very good brand fit. The integration happened very seamlessly. You see that there's a need of some person that is talking. You know, so उसके जगह पे हमने this guy's came on Amazon. It's a product itself is a very easy friend. What you call. You just have to say something and it replies to you. Yeah. So I think and man has done the super job. Singing के लगा तो हमने उसको बोला acting भी करना थोड़ी यार को लगना चाहिए ऐसा. But it was a pleasure working with Amazon team and Lodestar team who made this effort of getting a brand into the video very seamlessly. I think more opportunities will come across. We are a very big partner with Amazon as a filmmaking company. All our films are streamed on Amazon exclusively. This is just one part of it.
Many more videos to come, and let me tell you the production qualities, and the production values. It's just awesome, yeah. This looks like a mini movie, and भाई साहब आप तो मतलब हीरो लग रहे हो उसमें और हो भी. So please, yes, एकदम full एकदम ऐसा अभी फिल्म आनी चाहिए अरमान की. Please tell me, जब ओरिजिनल गाना ये आया था जिसको यहाँ recreate किया और इतना ज़्यादा fresh बना दिया कमाल और उनकी पूरी टीम ने. So where were you जब ओरिजिनल आया?
आगे जाके
ओरिजिनल कुछ बोल रहे कोई?
Original was released in 1996, मेरे ख्याल से, and I was born in 95. So मैंने ये गाना कभी नहीं सुना था. I just heard it 6 months back. भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये बहुत अच्छा गाना है, and Shivam from T Series he played it to me on YouTube, and I heard it for the first time. And there's Jugal Hansraj in the video, and I think Mayuri Kango. Yeah, those are the two lead actors in the song. And I heard it only once. It was sung by Udit ji. मैंने ज़्यादा उसे नहीं देखा because I didn't want to get stuck to that old song. हम लोग को एक नए स्टोरी में जाना था, एक नया जो एक राह था. अगर आप सेकंड अंतरा सुनोगे तो उसमें the girl is not there and he's पर अब वो वहाँ रहती नहीं है. मैंने सुना वो जा चुकी है. So that was the new thing that we got concept wise, and I sang it as a new song completely. So like me and Amal in the previous interviews, हम लोगों ने कहा ये recreation है, ये rebirth है of sorts. I feel it's come in a new form, and the audiences have accepted it and given it so much love. So I'm super excited.
We have a surprise for you. We have this धमाकेदार performance for you guys. लेकिन उससे पहले एक बहुत थोड़ा controversial भी हो सकता है. Tell us something about your chemistry with Alexa.
My chemistry with Alexa. So basically, while shooting, the Alexa was just like next to me. She was sitting there pretty and very beautiful, and it was Greece, and we were falling in love almost. But I told her abhi nahi, video khatam hone do, then we'll fall in love. But it's very good. I like how the device seamlessly went into the whole video, and time पे I wanted some inspiration, तो मैं बोलता है please play a romantic song, and Alexa obliges. So it's a beautiful way to integrate a brand, and I think both T Series and Amazon teams have done a good job. So huge round of applause for everyone here. A great work on this. Thank you.
The makers, of course. We should. So talking about the lyricists,
I'll get into it.
Yeah, you will. Yeah.
घर से निकलते ही actually जब ये सुना था तो I never imagined कि एक ऐसा version बनेगा, and Amal came to me and told me, actually Amal was not on board to compose this song, to recreate this song, and Bhushan ji just said, came with an idea, I feel कि chocolate boy वाला जो image है उसके लिए तू fit लगता है. So I said, okay, I'll check out the song क्योंकि मैंने सुना नहीं था. So I went back home and I was jamming on the song, and Amal heard me jamming and asked me, ये घर से निकलते ही क्यों जैम कर रहा है? तो मैंने कहा कि भूषण जी ने कहा है कि एक सिंगल करना है. So this is one of my favorite songs, Amal says to me, and Rajesh sir has always been a favorite composer. So he asked me, are you featuring in the video? I said, yes, I'm featuring in the video. So Amal said, he readily said that, I want to recreate it because I know that I can bring a new flavor to this song. And फिर एक दो महीने तक Amal and the lyricist Kunal Verma, who's written हाँ हंसी बन गए हो before, from Hamari Adhuri. So he and Amal sat together for like long hours and just sat on how to change, actually not change, how to bring a new essence to the song. And then Amal को एक idea आया कि he felt that Arman always gets the girl, so he feel like in real life that's what he feels. तो उसने वीडियो में सोचा कि इस वीडियो में अरमान को लड़की नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. So then उस वजह से, उस कॉन्सेप्ट की वजह से it happened that कल जो मिले वो राह में तो मैं उसे रोक लूँ, उसके दिल में क्या है छुपा एक बार मैं पूछ लूँ, पर अब वहाँ वो रहती नहीं है, मैंने सुना है वो जा चुकी है, खाली पड़ा है ये शहर. So this idea came because of that reason, and उसके वजह से the first, actually second अंतरा पहले ही हुआ था. The desolation part got over first, and फिर वो पहला अंतरा बना था. It's beautiful कि ये पूरा एक नया ही journey ले चुका है ये गाना, and जो हमारे fans हैं, जो भी Armanians हैं, Amalians हैं, they've been tweeting us on Twitter and Instagram and all these different social medias and saying and quoting these lines, पर अब वहाँ वो रहती नहीं, मैंने सुना है वो जा चुकी है. For me, the favorite line is मैं फिर भी जाता हूँ, सब दोहराता हूँ, शायद मिले कुछ खबर. Because I feel that there's still hope for all the lovers out there. Probably the girl's not there or she's no more there in your life, but you still have the hope of going on and still finding love. So I think that's one of my favorite lines from the song. And all together it just came beautifully. So huge round of applause for Amal and Kunal Verma who brought this song together. And not to forget Rajesh Roshan sir, who's originally composed the song, Javed Akhtar Shah, who's written the song, and of course the sweet Udit Narayan who sung the song. So thank you to everyone out here and everyone who has made this song special for me. Thank you so much.
All right, before we wrap up, just one last thing. You are in this video.
Yeah.
You featured in it, but
Yes.
you've not acted. वो बड़ा natural लग रहा है. So is it like you were thinking about an ex-girlfriend or something, और उसके घर के नीचे जा रहा हूँ कुछ ऐसा? Was it like that?
No. मतलब
It's not natural. How is it possible?
I was hearing the song and Charit Desai, who's directed the video, तो उन्होंने कहा कि just feel the song and just sing it. I don't want you to act. And that's what exactly I did. मैं कोई मतलब character नहीं निभा रहा हूँ on the screen. It's just Arman Malik walking through the lanes of Greece and singing घर से निकलते. It's as simple as that. And it's there's no acting, there's no forced emotion. I felt that every lyric, I felt it in my heart and I just gave the shot. It was as simple as that.
That's why everybody is loving the song Ghar Se Nikalte. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for you. Thank you so much for being a part of this evening.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arman. Zordar Talia. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thank you to all the media members who came here today and made this event successful. Thank you so much. We have some questions or something? No.
Do we have a question?
No questions. Photo?
These guys are very down to earth. I think वो पूरा परवरिश यहाँ से आया है. So sir, all the credit goes to you and ma'am over there. Congratulations, ma'am, for this wonderful song. Yeah. So अभी ये photo आप और अच्छा करवा दिया मैंने. So करो आप.
looking at the partners who can collaborate with us on, you know, the kind of things which we are doing. Which is like these single things are going to do 24 to 25 singles in a year now, and getting all the artists, my artist and the new artist on board on this. So it was a very good collaboration for me.
There's this question that I wanted to ask you because दिन पहले से चल रहा है कि घर से निकलते ही सर ऐसे ही ब्लॉकबस्टर में आइडियाज आते हैं या घर में भी आ जाते हैं और फिर बाहर आके एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं?
See, this is an iconic song, and this was in our catalog through Plus Music, when we acquired Plus Music long back. And ये actually मेरे mind में बहुत time से चल रहा था कि I should make a single of this, and to recreate these days everybody knows means recreation is the new thing which is going everywhere. So this was the apt song, and I thought just Arman for this. He is pressing those. Initially he was reluctant on this, but I told him just follow what I'm saying and it will be a great song. I think I was not wrong.
Yeah, definitely. I did tell him. So he played me the song in his office and मैंने कभी सुना नहीं था पहले. So ये मैंने पहले ही सुना पहली बार.
The interesting thing is, which we always try to portray to the public, is you know, there are many old songs which today's generation has not heard it, and he was the one who heard it, the singer, connected to a music family, and still he didn't haven't heard that song till today. So that was a new thing.
For the younger generation, I think this song has become the Ghar Se Nikalते Hi for them, you know, so they relate to the new version. And initially, मैं थोड़ा सा reluctant था, like Bhushan ji said. लेकिन finally the whole video got made and we went to Greece to shoot it. It's shot really beautifully by Charit Desai, and Amal has recomposed the song and Kunal Verma has rewritten the lyrics. So it's beautiful. All in all, it's come together in a beautiful way, and I'm glad that Bhushan ji's vision has come true, and it's crossed 36 million hearts, not views. It's conquered those many hearts.
Congratulations to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and enjoy the party. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, बताओ या सर.